And I want you now to talk to this part. We're going to call it the bad part. But you need to understand that really there is no such thing as a bad part. Because all parts of you only ever have good intentions. So we're going to talk to this part. Just say hello to it and just see if it responds.
Very good.
Now if it won't respond, you can just keep gently talking to it. Or you can choose to imagine that it has responded and just imagine what it would be saying.
Okay, that's good. Stop right here. And let's go do the forward parking in one of those white sign spaces there.
And I want you to ask this part some questions. The first one is, why do you do what you do? Why do you make me feel nervous on a driving test?
Okay, so congratulations. You meet the ministry standards and do qualify for your G2. Absolutely. Just a couple minor mistakes. Just a couple. Yeah, didn't really have to write many notes here. Yeah. So before you leave the side of the road, the hill parking, make sure you straighten those wheels out first.
Got it.
Second thing, when you enter the parking lot here, as you're looking for the space to back into, make sure you have your right signal on.
Got it.
It's not easy to back into a space when you don't have the cars beside you. What you do is you line yourself up a little bit further away from the tips of the yellow lines.
This is for the reverse?
Reverse parking, yeah. For the reverse parking. Line your car a little bit further away from the tips of the yellow lines. Look through the small window, and when you see the space that you want to back into in that little window, then you're in position.
Got it.
Okay, let's switch over. I'm going to take the test, and now it's your turn to observe.
Okay, got it.
I'm going to do a running commentary for you. It just ties everything together. You notice we didn't do the parallel parking?
Yeah.
That's typical. If they don't do the parallel parking, then.
And just see what answer this part gives.